The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cuba City to near Warren, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Wheaton, New Diggings, Lamont, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, and Leslie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm